understanding them helps you take control of your money. Every paycheck you receive has deductions: federal income tax, Social Security, and Medicare. Federal income tax funds services like schools, roads, and healthcare. Social Security and Medicare provide retirement and healthcare benefits for you and others in the future. Your tax bracket shows how much of your income is taxed. The U.S. uses a progressive system, meaning only the portion of your income in each bracket is taxed at that rate. Knowing this helps you plan smarter and avoid stress. Here's the good news. Smart tax planning can actually save you money. Contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA lowers your taxable income while preparing for the future. Deductions like student loan interest, mortgage interest, or charitable donations reduce your taxable income even further. And tax credits are even stronger because they directly cut your tax bill. Education credits or child tax credits, for example, can put real money back in your pocket. The biggest mistake is waiting until April to think about taxes. By planning ahead, tracking expenses, making contributions, and adjusting your paycheck withholdings, you avoid surprises and keep more money working for you. With a little knowledge, taxes stop being scary and instead become a tool to build financial security and peace of mind.